Hello guys! Today's recipe is a vanilla pound cake. Let's start. It's a great evening tea snack. The cake is simple and elegant and can be served in many occasions. In a bowl, add unsalted butter and powdered sugar. Combine them well. Mix them well until it becomes creamy. Also make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For getting notified on future videos, enable the bell button. You can now see that we have achieved the desired consistency. Add some vanilla extract and combine. Take 3 eggs. Add it in the bowl. Make sure to add it one after another and not all at once. Carefully mix after each egg. Mix them well. In a sieve, add the dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, milk powder, corn flour, baking powder, baking soda, and some salt. Sift them completely. Combine them well, as this brings an end to the batter preparation for our lovely cake. Scrape off the batter and to the bowl before setting aside. Transfer to a loaf pan or any baking pan of your choice. Preheat the oven. Bake for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Take it out and let it cool.